What's up, y'all? Thank you so much for checking out the video. So today, guys, I want to talk about one of the biggest problems that we all have when it comes to mowing. Now, if you have a zero turn or a lawn tractor, you probably have a bigger issue than, say, someone with a push mower. But the problem that we all have when it comes to mowing is where we're throwing our grass clippings. As you know, when you're mowing, we always want to try to make sure that we're throwing our clippings away from our house, away from our air conditioner, away from cars, the road, that sort of thing, natural areas. But that's not always possible, all right? Depending on certain situations, it's just not feasible. And so if you throw grass clippings up against your house or on your air conditioner, or you hit a car or hit something in the yard and it ends up flying across your house, that could be a really bad thing. So I finally broke down and I bought something for the mower, and I want to show you what that is and kind of talk about how it works and why I ended up getting it. So let's get into the video. All right, so before we get started, I want to let you know that this is not a sponsored video. I actually paid for this with my wife's own money. Now, it is pretty expensive. It cost me about $400, so I was really apprehensive to buy one, but I really wanted one for a really long time. So let me show you what we got. So I bought a grass flap for the mower here. Now, I haven't actually used it yet. We're gonna mow here in just a little bit. I wanted to show you guys what this looks like. I've been wanting a grass flap for a really long time. Like I said, they are pretty expensive at $400. It's by far the most expensive shoot blocker out there, but I bought it because it's really high quality, and this is what all the pros use. This is what all the professional mowers, the guys that are running professional mowers, this is what they use. And so I know that it's going to stand the test of time. You know, for me, there's nothing worse than spending money on something and it doesn't last. I mean, you look at the steel on this, it's super thick, it is well built, and again, like I said, this is what all the professional guys use. And so I know if it can withstand and hold up to the rigors of their mowing schedules, then I know for my little lawn it's not going to be something that I got to worry about. But all right, so let's talk about a grass flap versus a mulching kit, because I think that's really important. Now, this does temporarily block the grass from coming out, but this is not a mulching kit, okay? So a mulching kit, the way a mulching kit works, it uses a different blade. It uses a mulching blade versus what we call a high lift blade. And so basically a high lift blade actually creates a lot of suction and it pulls the grass clippings up. And then with one pass, it will eventually eject the grass out of here. Now, a mulching kit has a different blade, and it's actually designed, usually it'll have like if you look at the top of the blade, it'll have these serrations on it, and that's meant to more rip and tear and make the blades of grass smaller. All right, because we want the grass and a mulching kit to spend more time under the deck, where with a high lift blade, we simply want to cut it and get it out. Okay, so this is not a mulching kit. Another thing about a mulching kit usually is there'll be some baffles and things in there to section off the blades. Again, a mulching kit, we want to keep the grass under the deck as long as possible. So this is, you know, when this is shut, obviously it's going to stop the grass from coming out. And so you got to think about that, because if you have, say, taller grass and it spends a lot of time, you have maybe an underpowered mower, you could potentially, you know, slow down the grass that's coming out and kind of bog down your mower a little bit, bog down the engine. But that's not really something that I'm worried about. But what I am worried about, and the reason why I purchased this, was because my son likes to park his truck right here in the driveway, or I'll have friends that'll park in this cul-de-sac. And even though I try to keep the clippings from hitting their car, like I'll make the pass where the grass is throwing this way, it's not always possible. And so what'll end up happening is sometimes the grass will get thrown on their cars, and I would feel terrible if something were to happen. As I mentioned, it's $400 for this grass flap, but how much would it cost me if it were to be damaged to their vehicle, or even, you know, having up here in the natural area, if you know, cleaning up grass clippings, coming up through here, doing the same mowing pattern every time. I just felt like now was the time. And so I did my research. I wanted to buy something that was extremely high quality, so I went with the grass flap. And let's set up the camera. Let me show you exactly how it works, because it's actually really cool how it works. All right, so let me show you how this thing works. So there's a foot pedal that we installed, and what's really cool about this whole setup was there was no drilling. I didn't have to drill any holes in the mower. It took me about 30 minutes to install, and at the end I'll leave a link to a video where I show you how to install it. But basically the way it works is there's a foot pedal, and you push it and it actually raises it up, or you push it again and it falls back down. Essentially the way this works is this spring right here, you're trying to break the tension of that spring. You would think all you do is push your foot down and it would flip over, but actually you want to create enough momentum to drive it over the tension of that spring so that it flips up and down. And then to go down, you just push it again. It's almost like a little popping motion. Okay, you're just kind of pushing it to make it go up and down. And so it's really, really easy. One of the biggest reasons I chose this grass flap over some of the other ones that are less expensive is this one gives me the ability to keep my hands on the steering. All right, it's foot actuated. A lot of the other ones have handles up here, and I didn't like that, so I went with the grass flap. All right, so what do you say? Let's fire up the mower and let's see this thing in action. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Just a quick note, this is an American company, small business, so I love supporting small businesses like that. And I think this is really gonna solve a big issue for me, or maybe prevent an issue from happening in the future. So I'll leave a link down below where you can go check out Grass Flap. You do have to make sure you select the exact mower that you have, so take the time, make sure you order the right one. I'll leave a video link down below as well for the installation. Really, really easy. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.